Hey guys, today we'll be making an adorable burlap ribbon wreath. What you will need, I have an adorable sign for the center. I have a 14-inch wreath ring, this adorable striped burlap and white ribbon, chenille stems, scissors, and a hot glue gun. You can also add in any additional embellishments you'd like, but it's completely up to you. Alright, let's get started. So I have cut my chenille stems into thirds. You can cut the stems in half if you like. That'll be a little bit easier when you're adding your ribbon. But with the thirds, you save chenille stems, and also you have less stem to have to tuck away. But it's completely up to you. I'm going to take my stem, place it on the outer ring. Take the next stem and place it on the inner ring. And the last stem on the outer ring. So I'm alternating outer, inner, outer, and then in the next section inner, outer, inner, all the way around my ring. I like to go with 3 stems in each section because I feel like it makes a decent sized wreath. You can go with 4 or more if you choose to do so. It's completely up to you. Alright, I'm going to get these stems placed and then we'll start adding our ribbon. I have 3 stems in each of my 6 sections for a total of 18. Now it's time to add my ribbon. I have cut my ribbon into 8-inch long pieces. I'm going to go with 3 pieces in each section. And you can add in solid burlap with the stripe and then with solid white, whatever you prefer. This time I think I'm just going to go with all stripe just to do something different. So I'm going to crisscross my ribbon pieces just like that. Scrunch in the center. Pick a chenille stem and place my ribbon. Twist it a couple of times and then tuck away the chenille stems. Then you can kind of flare it out and maneuver it. Once we get more bundles in place, we'll be able to maneuver it a little bit better, and it also won't move as easily. If you choose, you can also ribbon cut the ends. If I'm going to use different ribbon, like the striped ribbon and the solid ribbon, then I will alternate the order of the ribbon. Since this is all the same color, it doesn't matter. But that's just something to be mindful of. Alright, so this is one section. Again, you can add 4 bundles to each section. You can add 4 pieces of ribbon to each bundle. Just have fun with it and make it your own. It just depends on how poofy and large and fluffy you want your wreath to be. Alright, I'm going to get more bundles placed and show you what it's looking like. Alright, this is what 2 sections look like so far. Let's keep going and then we'll add our sign to the center. Alright, so we are all done. Now we are going to add our adorable sign to the center. And actually, instead of using the entire sign, I'm just going to use the cute little bunny's head. So I'm going to pull this loose. You could add orange to your wreath and keep the entire sign if you choose to do so. Or you could even use the the 2 carrots for another wreath. To flip my sign over, I'm going to take 2 chenille stems and twist them together to form one long chenille stem and place it at the bottom. Also going to take half of a chenille stem for this ear and half for the other ear. I don't want to cross it completely because this will be visible from the front of my wreath. Now I'm just going to hot glue the stems in place. Alright, so I'm going to place my sign in the center of my wreath and then push the ribbon aside to find the actual wreath ring and attach my chenille stem. Twist it around a couple of times just to make sure it's nice and secure. Just like that. And then you'll be able to kind of hide the stems with your ribbon. I'm going to repeat this step for all of my chenille stems. Once I have all of my stems in place, I'm just maneuvering and adjusting. Again, you can add more ribbon, less ribbon, whatever you prefer. You can use longer ribbon, multicolored ribbon. Just have fun with it and make it your own. But it's so cute, simple, and easy to do. All items can be purchased at Dollar Tree, so you can make this entire wreath for less than $10. You can add in any additional embellishments you'd like. You can add other bunnies, eggs, carrots, bows, whatever you'd like. Just have fun with it and make it your own.